Laitkam vacancies ikam balai hapo Nigrams ikam project jang laboratory technician nata data manager nata ikam hapo DMHO East Khasi Hills badan dia hapo District Social Welfare West Genty Hills District tingi pajha kawai heading kawai pan paj swa kanin kawai kadai hapo District Social Welfare West Genty Hills District Jowai walk interview kadai live ho tarik Julai ara 4 arkusan kana dai ka notification tang bakam syai ngilai sna da kawai bakam syai susu tang dapat ya kana ka jing mentep ka bang ngilai sna khampa susu kana ka dai ka walk interview ha ka live ho tarik Julai ata pusan superintendent coordinator bat council ki post kawai ka post ya kini ki post prepare ka walk interview ka dai live ho tarik Julai ata pusan ha ka Porsche Popoje ha ka office jong district social welfare officer West Genty Hills District kanai kadai lang baka scheme integrated child protection scheme ICPS and the mission bat salyao scheme West Genty Hills District teng dapat kini kam ka kam kong kadai kam superintendent kawai ka post the place of posting kadai children's home girls Jowai ki khot namata kan thai bat senrang age limit kal prado lai pu ar tang bat lai news nam di SCST Agency man bunai kali live pula hajar sispa educational qualifications postgraduate degree in social work, sociology, child development, human right, public administration, psychology, law, public health, community resource management from a recognized university. Experience 3 years experience with government or NGO and documentation, training, capacity building, project formulation or implementation, monitoring and supervision, preferably in the field of women and child development, social welfare. Nangta kiong update computer proficiency in computer. Kanai kadai post superintendent. Tesan kadai post kapaar kadai coordinator. Kanai ro kalak tangkawai ka post. Kambalai kadai tangkawai. Taga jaka posting place of posting specialized adoption agency Jowai. Kanai ro ki khot nam tai kan thai bersenrang kat prahadoi apply ko arsnam kemalai penyeus nam yaki SCST ka jingsi manubunai Arpula Hajar Arts Pakshipo. Qualification, educational qualification, MSW in social work from recognized institution or university. Experience, 3 years experience in child care institute welfare activities, knowledge of computer operations and counseling skills. Kanai kadai ka jinon kam naban ta ka post coordinator. Tanai ka post bakadu kadai ka post counselor. Kawai kanai ro kalak tang kawai. Place of posting district child protection unit Jowai. Kanero kadai ki khot nak banta ki sana bai kan thai life arsnam relaxation sansam ki SST. Kajing siu malbona kadai khat prahajar life spa san phau. Nangta educational qualifications graduate degree in psychology, public health, counseling, sociology, social work from recognized university. Experience PG diploma in counseling and communication. At least 1 year experience with government or NGO in women and child development. Computer proficiency required. Kanai rubat along barok haj kiran kam yaki batbet battery kam computer. Bat laki jong ke jong hi ki ki skills ki experience baki kumar. Tekan mau kanai kadai ki interview kin sapelong interview hak live ho tarik Julai ara jara pusan hapo district social welfare West Genty Hills District Jowai. Takine ki general information interested candidates should bring the application in standard form duly filled in and should be accompanied by Xerox and attested copies of all testimonials. Candidates should bring all relevant documents, certificates in original and certified copy, mark sheets, certificates, birth certificate, experience certificate issued by competent authority for verification on the day of interview. All candidates are to reach the office premises of the District Social Welfare Officer, West Genty Hills District, Jowai at 8 a.m. sharp for registration, which will be closed at 9 a.m. sharp. Tourist and passport size photographs of the applicant should be attached in the application form. No TADA will be provided for appearing the interview. tentang dapat sa kikam balaj ha ka project apo Negrims Shillong. Katarik kaddo kadai live ho tarik Julai ara 4% dia pa kikam balaj kadai kau ka post laboratory ka project ka kerteng ka project kadai National Program on Antimicrobial Resistance Containment funded by NCDC Government of India. Minta kikam balaj kau ka post laboratory technician qualification BSc MNLT from recognized institution or university with 1 year of experience or 10+2 in science with DMLT 2 years course from a recognized university institute with 3 years of experience. Desirable experience must be in clinical lab, preferably bacteriology lab. Mendai bempalat ada suppose nan kajing sieu kadai pusan hajar marapunai. The duration of project 1 year and purely temporary. However, project may be extended based on performance and continuation of project funds. Kabar data manager for state AMR surveillance network. Kaniro tangawai kapos BSc in medical microbiology, medical lab technology, microbiology, biotechnology with minimum 1 year experience in clinical microbiology, bacteriology laboratory. Must be proficient in computer application, MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Desirable candidates with experience of working in antimicrobial resistance surveillance will be preferred. Kina kane ka post umday palat ya kasapusan sam kacing siu arpusan hajar man benai. 1 year and purely temporary. However, project may be extended based on performance and continuation of project funds. Katarik haddo kadai live putri Julai hajar arpusan. Penpo application hapo Department of Microbiology Negrims Shillong. Taking the details of terms and conditions. Yang sabuk kaling hapo description ba pinyo ban pulehi company susu. Tanya pat sa kanay kaway ipat kakam balay hapo kakam medical officer lightly ki post lightly kikam balay jong medical officer hapo district medical health officer East Khasi district Shillong. Katarik kaddo kadai South tarik August arcara pusan. Kanay kadai ka advertisement tang ba kam da syai ba ngin pen da ka ba kam syai su ka bangi la pen bet henti biang. Kanay ka post kadai ka National Health Mission Office of District Medical and Health Officer East Khasi Hills Shillong and the District Health Society National Health Mission East Khasi Hills Shillong. Kanay ka following post contract value basis for a period of 11 months. Ka post the medical officer lightly monthly remuneration as per NHS norms. Nata qualification MBBS from any medical institution recognized by MCI National Medical Commission. Iha pendap online ke Google Form link kadang nonton yang sabu apa description. General information applications must be submitted on or before 4 p.m. 4th August 2025. Tarik hadu kadai 3 August arca pusan hadu 100 baje jarmit. Leng ba ka Google Form link. Ki candidates bantap inakam kidai bandai kinong song jang Meghalaya domicile of Meghalaya. Candidates should use only Gmail account for registration in the Google Form link. Tangka Gmail account register Google Form link. Candidates should apply only once. Tang si sin kedai ban apply bat penbiang ya kikot kisla ban kam ha kaju ka file PDF file ka ban kot hadu kadai banduna ya ka CMB. Nanta kito kejing pentep kejing batai kejing peta ba when unloading select a PDF file from your local drive device. Tekene kadai kam medical health officer hapo district medical and health officer East Khasi Hills district Shillong lengbaka National Health Mission. Takine jing pedep kami kai hane video ku blai shibu.